Gaelic is finally an official language in Scotland. What does that mean? If you missed it, this happened yesterday. The irony of this happening in 2025, over 1,000 years since Gaelic was the dominant language of the Scottish courts, the nobility, the monarchy, long before English was, is not lost on me. And before anyone writes, isn't Scots a dialect? No, it's a West Germanic language. Its sentences can look like this. That's not English. Just because languages have shared words, like all of these, which are found in Spanish and English, does not mean that one is a dialect of another. Just means they kind of came from the same place a long time ago. Koyu, that's one for another day. So official status for Gaelic is a good thing. It's more than just legal protections and the fact that government now by law have to do stuff. It's also the fact that parents are now empowered to ask for a Gaelic school in their area. Eventually there'll be more qualifications that can be done in Gaelic, and there will also be teaching standards for both languages. In my experience, a lot of Scottish adults are actually unaware of just how important Gaelic and Scots are to the foundation of this country. This is more than just educating school children, it's also adults too. On a similar note, language learning resources, it's really easy for me to say you speak Gaelic because I know it exists, I know how good it is, but what about your average person in a local council? Do they know about in-person courses, community groups, books, as well as aforementioned Speak Gaelic? These resources have to be easy to find, affordable, convenient. And then in my world of music and the arts generally, funding for the hundreds of talented writers in both Scots and Gaelic, people like Len Penny.
Scots phrase of the day today is Sair Hodden Doon with a bubbly joke.
Agus Gujera, the world's only metalcore band to perform in Gaelic. Gun Rul. So yes, whilst this is an important milestone for Gaelic in Scotland, Chanel Sing an Haast. Den Tanam Horst. Dere werk, er de